In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Chase Business QuickDeposit. So for preparation, you want to ensure you have an eligible Chase Business checking account. Download the Chase mobile app if you are using a mobile device. And if you're using a scanner, make sure you have the Chase QuickDeposit scanner connected to your computer. Then for mobile deposit, you want to sign into your Chase mobile app, tap Pay and Transfers, select Deposit Checks, and choose the account for your deposit. Enter the deposit amount, tap the front, and take the photo of the check's front, then endorse the check and then tap Next. Take a photo of the check's back, review the deposit details, and tap Deposit to confirm. If you're doing a scanner deposit, sign into the Chase Business Online, choose Collect and Deposit at the top of the page, select Deposit Checks, and then enter the deposit total and any necessary information. Endorse the checks manually and use virtual endorsement. Place checks in the scanner's document feeder, and then click Start Scanning when prompted. Review the scanned items and make any necessary corrections. Then click Submit Deposit to complete the transaction. Some important notes are that deposits made before 11 p.m. on business days are processed the same day. You can scan up to 150 checks in a single deposit. Properly endorse checks with your signature, and for electronic deposits only at Chase. Check images are stored securely online for record keeping. Remember to always follow the most current guidelines provided by Chase, as procedures may have been updated since 2025. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe. But for now, goodbye.